I've been on YouTube for 8 years, grew a channel to 360k subscribers, been editing since 4th grade, and I'm going to tell you why your edits keep flopping. So I'm going to show you exactly what you're doing wrong and how to fix it in the next minutes. Starting with the editing trap. Now, the problem isn't your technical ability, you already know how to edit, you've been doing it for years. The problem is you don't understand what editing is supposed to do. Most editors think editing is the art, the craft, the thing that makes the video good. It's not. Editing has one job. One, complement the message, that's it. Not replace the message, not become the message, not distract from the message, complement it. Think about it like this, if your script is weak, no amount of editing saves it. If your idea is boring, transition don't fix it. If your hook doesn't work, color grading doesn't matter. But you keep acting like editing is the solution. It's not, it's the support system. And when you don't understand that, you make 3 massive mistakes that kill your videos before they even have a chance. So let me show you the first one. Mistake number 1, you edit for the wrong person. You edit for other editors, not your viewers. So let me show you. You start a gaming channel, you think gaming is for kids, so you edit fast cuts, big effects, non-stop action, video flops. Why? Well, because you didn't ask what game. World of Warcraft, your viewers are 30. They have jobs, kids, they want clear info, not crazy edits. Valorant, your viewers are 16. They grew up on TikTok, they need fast. Same niche, different people, different style of editing. So now you see it. Another one, finance channels. You see MrBeast 100 million views, you think that's the way. So you copy it, fast cuts, big text, non-stop movement. You get views, a lot of views. But they don't subscribe, they don't buy, they don't care. Why? Wrong people. Your editing brought in 14 years old who think money is cool, not 30 years old who want to build real things. So Alex Hormozi did this in the past, he edited like MrBeast, got millions of views, made less money. Why? People who buy don't want fun, they want info. Your editing is the filter. Right now it filters the wrong people, so that's mistake number 1. Mistake number 2, it kills even more videos. Mistake number 2, you edit the wrong part of the video. You spend 20 hours perfecting the edit, but where do you spend most of that time? The middle, the end, the transition at minute 8. Here's the problem. People don't live at minute 8, they live at second 15. You're optimizing the part they never see, so listen to this. 80% of your editing time should go into the first 60 seconds, that's it. The hook. Not the middle, not the outro, the hook. Why? Because that's where people decide to stay or to leave. Your thumbnail shows you holding a ball, first frame of the video, you holding the same ball. Boom. Click confirmed, mini dopamine hit for the viewer. Now they trust you, now you can show your editing skills. But most creators do the opposite. They rush the hook, spend hours on the middle, video dies in 10 seconds. You spend like 20 hours, they watch 10 seconds. That's the problem. You think every part of the video needs equal effort, it doesn't. The hook is like 10% of your video, it should get 80% of your editing effort. That's mistake 2. Wrong priority. Mistake number 3, you copy one creator, basically everything that they do. Their subtitle style, their colors, their pacing, their effects, everything. Then you wonder why your video feels fake, why they don't work. So basically here's why. When you copy one person, you become a clone. And clones always lose to the original. People can feel it, they know you're copying, they'll just watch the original. So what do you do instead? Steal from 5 creators, not 1, 5. Take the subtitle style from one creator, take the color grading from another one, take the pacing from the 3rd, take the camera angles from the 4th, take the music choice from a 5th, and then mix them together. That's how every big creator started. They didn't invent a new style, they mixed 5 old styles. Now most creators don't do this, they find one creator they love, they copy everything from it, and basically they're just lazy and it shows. So you need to study wide, not deep. Basically you want to watch 5 creators, take one thing from each, combine them, that's how you stand out. Not by being 100% original, by being 20% from 5 different people. 3 steps, that's it. Step 1, identify the exact audience. Not gamers, not entrepreneurs, specific. 25-year-old who wants to build a business but works 2 jobs, that's specific. Now what do they expect from editing? Fast or slow? Heavy text or clean? Entertainment or straight info? Figure that out first, before you edit anything. Step 2, study 5 creators in your exact niche. Not similar niche, exact niche. What patterns do you see? Fast cuts or slow, big text or minimal, lots of transition or jump cuts. Watch just like about 5 videos from each, take notes, find the pattern. Then steal one thing from each creator, mix them, make it yours. Step 3, keep it consistent. Same editing style across all of your videos, same pacing, same duration, same feel. Why? Because YouTube wants to compete with Netflix. Netflix is a binge watching service basically. People watch one episode, then the next, then the next. YouTube wants that same style video that keeps people on the platform basically. Now the algorithm sees that, algorithm loves that, algorithm will push you. Most creators change their editing style every video. trying new things, testing. That confuses the algorithm, it confusing your audience, which is basically the same thing. Now, pick a style, stick with it, at least 20 videos, that's the system. Know your audience, study 5 creators, stay consistent. Now you will do that and your edits won't flop anymore. And if you want to learn even more on how editors can go full-time on YouTube, join the waiting list for our future free community where you will get all the templates and resources that will make you go viral within your next 10 videos.
Arrivederci.